Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can reset your WordPress website without removing it from the cPanel. So you can reset and remove everything from inside the WordPress website itself. Okay, so I will show you here. I'm on one of my testing websites, and you see here that there are many plugins. I can go to the plugins to see it. You see all these plugins. The site has pages. I go to the home page to see it. So you see it's an e-learning website. You can get also this e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses. You can find in the description how to get this. But I want to, let's say, remove this website without to go to the hosting to remove it. Okay, so I go to the dashboard, and I will achieve this by installing a plugin. It's a free plugin. It has also a pro version, but the free plugin, it's enough. With the pro version, you do a little bit better work, but the free version will be enough to reset the website. Okay, so we go to plugins here, and then we go add the new plugin. And here on the search bar, we will search for WP Reset. This is the plugin. It's called WP Reset. And we click install now. You see this plugin has 400,000 installations and 5-star reviews. So it's a very popular plugin. So now we click activate, right? And the function of this plugin actually is very easy. We go to find it here at the bottom, WP Reset, and we click open WP Reset tools. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. Right, it says that it has also a pro version, but we don't want it right now. Here we scroll down and we find where it says site reset here. Okay, because the next is called nuclear site reset. It can be achieved only with a pro version, but with a free version we can do a site reset. So here there are some options. It says reactivate current theme, the Ocean WP I have on the site. I don't want to reactivate it, so I don't click here. Then it says reactivate WP Reset plugin. I don't also want to reactivate it. Also reactivate all currently active plugins. No, I just leave it how it is, empty everything. I type reset. Okay, and then I click reset site. And here it has a warning to not make any mistake, but then I will click again reset WordPress. It's very short, it doesn't take so much time to do it, and yes, it's done in less than 10 seconds. You see now that everything looks like empty, and it is how it is when you install a new WordPress, okay? We didn't go to the hosting, we didn't go to the cPanel, we did everything from inside the WordPress admin. Okay, now if we go to the pages, let's go to the pages. You see that there are only two pages. One is the sample page and one that goes in draft. We can delete this. We can delete these pages, for example, by doing this. Move to trash and click apply. Go to trash and delete permanently. Apply. That's it. If we go to plugins, you see all the plugins are here, but all deactivated. We select them all and then we click delete. And then click apply. Okay, the reason that we see here the plugins and the pages is that we didn't use the nuclear reset that can be used only when you have the pro version, but that was more than enough because here we have removed almost everything with just few clicks. Okay, these plugins we can delete them here manually, one by one. Delete. The WooCommerce plugin cannot be deleted until we delete plugins that are dependent on it. Now that there is nothing else, we can delete also the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so everything has been deleted now. There is nothing on the site. We can start from scratch. So that was all for this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about WordPress and make money online. And also let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions about topics that you want me to cover. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.